Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some simple, easy cream cheese wontons. They were so delicious, crispy, and just delicious. So so right here I have my wonton wrappers. I have cream cheese, powdered sugar. That beaten egg is to seal the wontons. And I just have this store-bought sweet chili sauce right here. You know, just kept it simple. It was $1 something in Kroger, and I just bought it. Instead of buying all those ingredients to make it myself, yada yada yada. You know, we're in quarantine right now. There's no point in me doing all of that. We don't have time for that. So you want to chop up your scallions just like this. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna chop it all the way down. I'm gonna actually beat at it because you want some of that flavor to come out into the cream cheese, especially since the cooking time is so short. In this bowl, we're going to add the cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature, really soft. Just leave it out overnight. Nothing's going to happen to it. Add the scallions to it, a little pepper, and just mix it up. And that's pretty much the filling. Now, I'm not the best at making designs and shapes and all of that, so I'm going to keep it pretty simple here. So first, you want to just wet the edges with the egg wash just like this. You could use a brush if you don't like getting egg on your fingers or whatever weird, you know, phobia some of us may have. You could use a brush. You don't have to use your fingers. You want to seal it really well on all sides just like this, and then you're going to wet both ends of the wonton once again and just fold it over, and that's it. Fold it over, and that's the shape I chose to use. Now if you're more adventurous than I am, then you can make whatever shape you want to make. As long as you seal it properly, then you're good to go. You could even just flap it over and fry it just like this right here. Just flap it over and fry it. If you don't feel like closing it like an envelope, this is it right here. And then, you know, fry it up and you're ready to eat. There's always one straggler when I'm trying to test the oil, so that's what that was. So anyway, you guys, you want to fry your wontons at about 325. You don't want to fry it on high temperature because then you're going to burn it. The wrapper won't cook and the inside won't cook as well. So I do it at a lower temperature at 325. And this is what they look like. They're so crispy and they look so good. So you want to continue frying them once you remove them from the skillet. Don't overcrowd your pan. Y'all know I love a good slow-mo. So right here, I heated up some of the sweet chili sauce. I didn't want to just pour it right out of the bottle. I heated up. And then you're just going to pile your wontons right onto the plate. Look how delicious these look. I'm going to bite down on one so you guys can hear how crispy they are. But I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.